everybody, Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev. And today I get to do a video for you on something that I originally started doing YouTube for, the subject matter, and that's travel. And once I got my my channel going, of course, the pandemic hit and I had to branch out to other things. Well, now I'm finally at the point where we are going on a cruise next week. So I've got several little tidbits I'm going to share with all of you and hope that I can help you somewhat if you're planning on going on a trip. Now, where we're going is the Panama Canal. And what I'm doing is telling you essentials and things that are suggested that you pack to take on a Panama Canal cruise. Now, I've gathered together, information from different articles I've read and information from my own, so, and I even have samples to show you what I mean, so let's get going. Now, the Panama Canal, of course, is considered one of the most impressive feats, F-E-A-T-S, of human engineering on the planet. And some people spend an equal amount of time and brain power trying to decide what to pack for a Panama Canal cruise. A voyage through the canal is a quintessential cruise experience, and it can be exhilarating, but it also involves some waiting around, from what I understand, many times in the unrelenting Panamanian sunshine. So let's get started on this combination of things. First off, and I've heard several people say this, is insect repellent and anti-itch cream. I've heard that the mosquitoes there are terrible. So, here's what we're bringing. First off, I've got these little packets. They're Annie Fannies, and I got these from like Grove, and they're little mosquito wipes. And they're, DEET-free and worry-free because it doesn't have all of the chemicals in like some of the others do. So I'm just bringing this little packet I have here of little wipes. I can stick them in my pocket, and if I'm up on the deck or something and I'm getting eaten by mosquitoes, pulling out, I'm done. Now for Bob, he likes chemicals on himself. He only likes off. So I found, and you can't take too big a can on through TSA. You think by now, my God, I didn't know that. So I found this little by Johnson & Johnson, of course, Off Deep Woods Dry. And it's 2.5 ounces. So it should have no problems going through, the checkpoints. Let's see, long-lasting protection from mosquitoes, ticks, biting flies, gnats, and chiggers. It repels mosquitoes that may carry the Zika virus, Zengue, Z-E-N-G-U-E virus, and West Nile virus. So he's set out. But in case he doesn't want to be carrying a big can like this in his pocket, I also got him some off wipes. And who knows, if they're bad enough and my stuff doesn't work, I may have to resort to the chemicals also. So these are little insect repellent towelettes, and they say they're unscented, and that's what caught my eye because, man, I hate the smell of this. I mean, I smell this stuff on him, like he's been out at the golf course and he comes in and, oh yeah, he's here, I can smell it now from spraying that spray. So this protects against the same things that the little can does. So he can have some of these in his pocket instead of a can. Let's see. Do they have any? They say anti-itch cream. I didn't catch that, but I do have some anti-itch cream back in the other room that I just bought from Dollar Tree. I'll just stick that in the bag with us. Okay, then sunscreen. Well, I always wear all my makeup, everything I put on has sunscreen in it, but I feel like going in that kind of sun, I'm going to need extra protection. So I got this Max Block sunscreen, 50. So, it's the highest I could find. It's 4 fluid ounces, so I hope they won't have a problem taking it on the plane. It's broad spectrum SPF 50, water resistance for 80 minutes. octinoxate, oxybenzone, and paraben free. So I got this for $1 at Dollar Tree. So we'll see how that works. And then I picked up, because I thought, okay, if we overdo it a little, which I may, because I don't go out in the sun. I mean, look how white I am. Now, he has tan because he goes and golfs, but I'm pretty white, so I have to be really careful. So I thought, okay, if I do get burned, I'm going to need something to put on afterwards. So I got some aloe vera. Now, I'm going to have to transfer this into a smaller container. This is the only size I could find. I got it at Dollar Tree for $1. And it's the After Sun, Max Block After Sun Soothing Gel. This is 9.7 ounces, so I'm going to put it in a lot smaller container. So that'll take care of our sunscreen needs. Let's see, get that paper out of here. Let's see, what was that? Number 2. Oh, it looks like it didn't print the whole thing. No wonder why. It's crazy. Well, doesn't matter. I already know what I want. Okay, next thing are hats. Now, I'm bringing a couple of hats. I don't normally wear them, so I'm not sure what's going to feel comfortable, but bringing my FabFitFun hat, the one that covers the whole head up. And I'm also bringing one of this type that is more or less a visor type, like that. And I can just hook that around the handle of my purse and have it just flopping around if I don't want to wear it. But this way, the top of my head will get some air. So I'm not sure which one I'm going to like. But that's what I'm going to bring. And of course, Bob always buys hats when we're on the trips if he can find a certain style that he likes. So he's probably going to bring one of the ones he's got with him here just to get him started. And also, of course, a pair of sunglasses. I didn't put those in here, but I've got a pair because I wear, prescription glasses. We both get the kind that just fit over. It's not the kind that snap on, those old looking kind, but regular sunglasses that just fit right over our glasses, and you can't tell that we've got other ones on underneath. Well, that's a big boat going by. So that's what I always wear and bring. It says, you need polarized for added protection, for help with reflection off the water. So that should do that on the head protection as far as my hair. Sunglasses, hats. Next is a tripod. Even if you don't do YouTube videos, you'll still want to take pictures. And of course, right now, I've got my regular tripod is what I'm using right now, but it collapses down to about this much. So that should fit in my suitcase okay, along the edge. Because I'm planning on doing some clothing videos of what I'm wearing each day, and I want to have the tripod back there doing its thing. But then I'm not bringing mine with me, but some people do, this little kind here. And this kind, you can take it and wrap it around something to keep it on. Like if you want to do a picture of just the water moving or the scenery going by, you can stick this on the railing of your, what do you call it, balcony, and put your camera on and just let it sit and do its thing. Maybe I'll take it. I don't know. I just haven't decided. We're doing carry-on, so, I got to be careful how much I bring. So that's that type. Then when I'm off the ship, I don't want to be just carrying my camera So I do have this bigger one. It's very easy to, you hold it this way. And so I can hold it out and I can see, it's a lot easier. And it helps avoid tripping on things because you can still see what you're walking into. However, I wanted a smaller one. And look at this cute little guy I found. Look at the difference in the size, see? So I got this because it can fit in my purse. Same concept, but it's also a little tripod if I want to sit it on a table or something to do a video. So this will fit in some of the smallest of purses. Okay. Well, in fact, I should show you this picture here. There's that one tripod with the things wrapped around the rail. Okay. That's what I can't decide if I'm going to bring. And then they mention a swim shirt. Well, we're not going to go swimming that much. We're not real big avid water people as far as going into the water. We're just going to bring t-shirts. But, you know, if you're the type that you're in it a lot, yeah, get those little swim shirts, especially if you want to go with your swimsuit. It doesn't matter to us, you know, how we look. And let's see, what do they say about it on here? Yeah, see. It says 1 part shirt and 1 part swim and sun gear. They say for women, they can be as stylish as they are functional. Wear it for a casual sea day aboard your ship, or don it for an excursion kayaking. They're comfy, quick drying, and SPF 50. So, you know, there are some benefits, but that's if you're going to be out in a lot. We won't be. Now, you know, you got to gear all this towards what you're going to be doing on your cruise. I'm gearing a lot of this on what we're doing. A hydro flask. I don't know why they call it a hydro flask. It's a water bottle. Reusable, it says. So to reduce your plastic use by bringing a BPA-free water bottle along to hydrate on your Panama Canal cruise. Then dry bags. Now, what do you mean by dry bags? They're almost like, you know, the plastic bags, Ziploc bags, that kind of thing that you can slip like your phone in. Like you're going to be going down to the beach a lot, you know, you don't want to take any chances on your phone falling in the water or anything else. Wallet. So different dry bags can be used for a lot of things. Put your wet swimsuit in if you have to pack for some reason. Oh, let's see. We did that. Hydro flask, dry bags. A book. Now, I'm not a big avid reader, but I am going to bring a book or two with me. See if I can at least maybe read 2 books this year. And because I figured this is going to be a very relaxing cruise. And when you go to Europe, you try to take cruises that are very port intensive, which means you're off that ship a lot, almost every day. Because flying all the way over there, you spend big bucks, and you want to make sure you see everything you can see. But with doing Panama Canal, we're just flying to Florida, Fort Lauderdale, you know. So what little I read on the plane, when we get on the ship, the first day is at sea, and then we go to a port, and then we have another sea day. So we have a lot of sea days. So I figure, you know, I might feel like reading, so I am bringing 2 books with me. So another thing that we're bringing is, you know, in those types of climates, yeah, it can be hot, but it can also, just like that, pour down rain. So I picked up these little rain ponchos. Clear poncho. I don't know how good they'll be. We'll find out. Probably just like a plastic bag, you know. But I got these at Dollar Tree for $1. I got us each one. Little, simple to put either in my purse or in the little bag we'll take off the ship with us, you know. But very, very simple little poncho. And on that same note, I got this cute little umbrella. I had gotten it at TJ Maxx. And I've only found this one, but isn't that cute? So it takes up very little room. I can fit it in my purse. Just in the bottom of the purse. If it starts to rain, I just put that up. And what else do I have here? Oh, of course, one thing we cannot forget now is mask. What can I say? We're going to make sure we wear them even if they don't require it. So we do have some of these KN95s. And I'm hearing that you should wear at least this type, not necessarily a cloth type. But I do have some nice cloth ones that I'm going to put this one on and put maybe a cloth one over it. I don't know. Well, what's this? What's this? Now, if I could take this on the cruise with me, I would. You want to say hi? Say, hi, look at the camera. Oh, there she is. There's my girl. She's wondering why I've got this stuff on. So now she chooses to come sit on me. What can I say? What are you going to do? Come look up in the camera? That's the hardest part of traveling. Oh, God, is leaving her. We do have somebody who's going to be coming in every day and checking on her food and cleaning her litter box, but we're always so anxious to get back to our fur babies when we travel. Hello. But she knows something's going on because I'm starting to get things together for the trip. So I think that's everything. And did you see Gus? This is Gus that one of my subs sent me for Christmas and birthday. And you're wondering, why am I so excited about a stuffed animal? Well, sloths are one of my favorite animals. I mean, look at this blanket. It's a sloth hanging from a tree. See, I don't think there's much on that side, but one of the exciting things that you have to do when you do Panama Canal is to go to a sloth sanctuary. Now, that's been on my bucket list for several years, and this is our third cruise we had scheduled to the Panama Canal. And the others were all canceled. So each time we booked a sloth excursion, and this time I'm going to get to do it. So she's starting to come back this way. Oh, another thing. How do you like my rings? Aren't they beautiful? They're fake. These are what I call my decoy rings. And when I travel, I'm going to wear these instead of my good set, because, you never know. You just never know what's going to happen in this world now. So if anybody tries to step me up and says, give me your rings, take them. So, I mean, you can't even tell, that they're... Just always be prepared. Don't wear a lot of jewelry off the ships. You don't want to be labeled as looking like you're real, rich or something, because then that really attracts people that are not too nice. So I think that will do it. Please comment below. If you have any other suggestions, let me know. Share, like, subscribe. And I hope you're all having a great day. And if you're thinking of cruising this year, keep Panama Canal in mind. I love you all. Bye.